love it.
You love it?
Wow.
Bago yan, Thea.
Mmm. Yan, idagdagan yung pagkain niya.
Kailangan lang talagang ano. Pero sinasabi ko sa kanya minsan kung ano, you have to taste it first. Before you say no.
Nasabit mo.
May sabit, Thea, may sabit. May sabit. You know,
There's food stuck in my teeth.
Yeah. It's barbecue food.
in Filipino, may sabit. You say may sabit. You say may sabit.
Can you remove the teeth?
The teeth? Oh, wait, I will remove your teeth, okay? I will remove your teeth.